What if I told you that your car might not actually be broken? It just needs to be reset. Imagine spending hundreds, sometimes thousands, at a mechanic, when the solution could be as simple as pressing a sequence of buttons, disconnecting one cable, or turning your ignition in a certain way. Sounds insane, right? But here's the truth. Modern cars are basically rolling computers, and like any computer, they can glitch. The shocking part? Many mechanics know about these reset tricks, but they'll never share them because a 5-minute reset could cancel their $500 repair ticket. Stay tuned, because today, I'm going to reveal the proven reset methods that can make your car feel like new again. And most of them can be done in your driveway with zero special tools. And before you say, this can't be real, wait until you hear what automakers and veteran mechanics have documented for years, but keep tucked away in technical bulletins. Reset trick number 1, the battery disconnect method. Let's start with the classic, and yes, it still works. Disconnecting your car's negative battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes drains stored voltage from the electronic modules. This clears temporary memory and forces the car's computer to rebuild its baseline data once you reconnect it. Why it works? Just like rebooting your laptop clears corrupted RAM, this process wipes short-term adaptive values your car has stored, such as idle air adjustments or fuel trim numbers. According to a technical bulletin from Toyota, this can even clear strange idle behavior after throttle body cleaning. When to use it? If your check engine light came on after a battery drain, if your car feels sluggish, or if new parts were installed, like MAF sensors or throttle bodies, and the computer still behaves oddly. Expert insight. Veteran mechanics often combine this with a capacitor discharge trick, where they hold the brake pedal down for 10 to 15 seconds after disconnecting the battery. This drains any leftover voltage from capacitors inside the ECU. Psychological factor. The human brain loves closure. When that check engine light suddenly disappears after reconnecting your battery, your stress vanishes too. It feels like magic, but it's pure science. Reset trick number 2, the key on, key off relearn. Here's one automakers don't advertise loudly, but mechanics use it daily. Many vehicles, especially Nissan, Ford, and GM models, have key on, key off ignition cycles designed to reset or relearn certain modules. Example, Ford has a sequence where you turn the key on and off in a specific rhythm to reset the throttle body and transmission control. Nissan's idle air volume relearn requires turning the ignition on and waiting, then pressing the accelerator in a timed sequence. Why it works? These procedures tell the ECU to recalibrate sensors like throttle position or idle air control, which naturally drift over time. Expert proof. A GM training document shows how a simple ignition cycle reset can restore normal transmission shift points after replacing a battery. Without this reset, the transmission feels clunky, making drivers think it's failing. Viewer challenge. If you've ever noticed your car shifting rough after a dead battery, this reset is for you. Drop a comment if you've tried this and tell others whether it smoothed out your drive. Reset trick number 3, throttle body reset. Modern cars have electronic throttles instead of mechanical cables. Over time, carbon buildup or small sensor drifts can confuse the ECU, making the car idle rough or feel sluggish. The trick: some vehicles like Honda and Toyota allow you to reset the throttle adaptation by simply turning the ignition on without starting, waiting 30 seconds, then slowly pressing the accelerator to the floor and releasing. Others require a few cycles of this. The result: the ECU reprograms itself to accept the new closed and wide open throttle voltages. Suddenly, your car breathes better, idles smoother, and responds like it's brand new. Real-world story. One Honda owner reported paying $200 to a dealership for a throttle relearn after cleaning their intake. The same reset could have been done in under a minute with no tools. Reset trick number 4, window and sunroof auto-up calibration. Okay, let's break the myth that resets are only for engines. Ever had a power window stop rolling up automatically? Or a sunroof lose its memory after a dead battery? Dealers charge $100 plus to diagnose this. Reality: most cars let you recalibrate windows and sunroofs by holding the switch up for a few seconds after they fully close, or down after they fully open. This teaches the body control module where closed and open are. Psychology loop. Drivers panic when comfort features stop working. But here's the curiosity kicker. You'll be amazed how many of your car's broken features are just confused electronics waiting for a reset. Reset trick number 5. Transmission adaptive reset. This one feels like witchcraft but is backed by countless mechanics. Modern automatic transmissions adapt to your driving style. Slow, fast, aggressive, gentle. But after years, they sometimes learn bad habits that create jerky shifts or delayed engagement. The fix. Many manufacturers include a procedure to reset the transmission's adaptive memory. For example, BMW and Mercedes have ignition pedal sequences. Chrysler products often reset after pulling fuse 11. Result: the car relearns fresh shift logic, often making the gearbox feel like new. Proof from the field. A Chrysler Master Tech noted that after a simple TCM reset, a 10-year-old sedan shifted like it rolled off the lot yesterday. Customers were stunned. Curiosity loop and teaser for part 2. So far, we've covered resets that deal with idle issues, throttle glitches, window problems, and even full transmission memory wipes. But here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know your car's AC system also has hidden reset sequences that can make it blow colder air without touching a single bolt? Or that certain hybrids require a specific reset to bring their batteries back to life after sitting too long? And what about the one hidden reset that can instantly turn off dozens of random dashboard lights at once? These are the secrets mechanics quietly use but rarely share, because if you knew them, half of their repairs would vanish overnight. Reset trick number 6. The hidden AC reset. We've all been there. You crank the AC on a hot summer day, and instead of crisp, icy air, you get lukewarm disappointment. Most drivers instantly think, great, my compressor's dead. Time for a $1,200 repair. But here's the insider truth. Sometimes your AC system isn't broken. It's confused. Why it happens. Many vehicles have a climate control module that adapts to sensor inputs, like cabin temperature, humidity, and even solar load sensors on the dashboard. A weak battery or sudden power interruption can scramble these calibrations. The fix. On several GM, Ford, and Toyota vehicles, holding down specific AC buttons or cycling the ignition while pressing the defrost and AC buttons forces the system to relearn its blend door positions. In less than 5 minutes, drivers report colder air without touching refrigerant. Proof. GM issued service bulletins outlining this exact reset for certain models, and mechanics quietly use it instead of ripping out dashboards. Viewer challenge. Before you rush to recharge your AC or replace parts, try researching whether your car has a climate module reset. If it suddenly blows cold again, comment below, because you just dodged a massive repair bill. Reset trick number 7. Hybrid battery wake-up. Now here's one that hybrid owners need to know. If a Toyota Prius or similar hybrid sits unused for weeks or months, the high-voltage battery can drop into a deep sleep mode. Owners often assume the battery is shot, costing $2,000 to $3,000. Reality. In many cases, the battery management system simply shut down to protect itself. Mechanics know that reconnecting a diagnostic tool or performing a battery wake-up reset can bring the system back online. Some models even allow a sequence using the start button and brake pedal to reinitialize the pack. Why manufacturers hide it? Because selling a new battery is far more profitable than letting you press a few buttons. Psychological impact. Imagine the relief of thinking you've lost your hybrid's battery, only to watch it spring back to life with a reset. That kind of resurrection effect makes drivers lifelong believers in knowing these hidden tricks. Reset trick number 8. ABS and traction control light reset. Have you ever had your ABS or traction control light turn on randomly after hitting a pothole or driving through heavy rain? Most people assume it's a sensor failure, but many times the control module just needs to reinitialize. The trick. Some vehicles allow a steering angle sensor reset simply by turning the wheel lock to lock with the ignition on. Others require pressing the brake and ignition in a certain order. Why it matters. Without this reset, drivers spend hundreds replacing sensors or modules that aren't actually broken. Expert voice. A Subaru technician once explained that over 40% of ABS faults he diagnosed were solved by recalibrating the steering angle sensor after a battery replacement. Reset trick number 9. Electronic parking brake reset. If you own a newer car with an electronic parking brake, you might have experienced this. The brake light flashes, refuses to disengage, or stays locked after a dead battery. The secret: many of these systems can be reset by cycling the ignition and pressing the brake pedal in a specific sequence. Audi, VW, and Ford models often have these hidden procedures, buried deep in owner's manuals, or only revealed in dealer software. Why it's powerful: instead of calling a tow truck or paying a dealer to service the brake, you can often clear the fault and regain control instantly. Psychology note: this is where empowerment comes in. Drivers who know these resets feel in control, not trapped by technology, and that sense of mastery keeps them engaged to learn more. Reset trick number 10. ECU, global reset, via fuse pull. Here's one the old school mechanics swear by. Instead of disconnecting the entire battery, you can pull the ECU or ECM fuse for a few minutes, then reinstall it. Benefit: unlike a full battery disconnect, this method isolates the reset to the ECU while preserving radio codes, clock settings, and other electronics. Real-world story: a Dodge owner reported rough idling after installing new spark plugs. Dealer estimate: $300 for diagnostics. A 5-minute ECU fuse pull reset fixed the problem immediately. Industry fact: Chrysler and GM training documents openly recommend this as part of certain diagnostic procedures, but dealers rarely tell customers because it's too easy. Reset trick number 11. The all lights off combo. Here's the one you've been waiting for: the hidden reset that can wipe out dozens of random warning lights at once. Some vehicles, like Honda and Nissan, have a built-in diagnostic mode accessible with a combination of ignition cycles and pedal presses. Once activated, the dash goes through a self-check, clears temporary codes, and shuts off lights caused by glitches instead of true mechanical failures. Why it matters: this separates real problems from false alarms. Instead of panicking at a Christmas tree dashboard, you can reset it, drive a few miles, and see which lights actually return. Proof: Honda's service bulletin clearly documents this for Civic and Accord models. Mechanics use it daily, but very few owners know. Here's the truth: cars are more like computers than machines today. And like computers, they don't always need parts. They need a reboot. From AC systems to transmissions, windows to batteries, these resets can make your car feel like new again, without a wrench ever touching it. But here's the warning: if a reset doesn't fix the issue, and the warning light comes back repeatedly, that's when you do need diagnostics. Resets are powerful tools, but they're not a substitute for real repairs. The difference is now, you know how to try them first before emptying your wallet. So the next time your car freaks out, don't panic. Don't call a tow truck right away. Don't assume the worst. Ask yourself, could this just be a reset?